Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. Firstly, go to search bar, type here CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S. Now type here netsh int IPv4 reset.log and hit enter. Then type in netsh winsock reset catalog and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and then simply go to search bar, type here control panel, open it. Now select category, select network and internet, network and sharing center, then open your internet connection, go to its properties, select IPv4 and open its properties. Now you need to select this option, obtain DNS service address automatically, then click on OK, close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.